Hi guys, this is Preeti Dhillon and I'm here today with Sugar.
So it was this space where we actually started speaking for the first time. So yeah, I mean, like, we both proposed each other.
So finally, it's my wedding day, the biggest day of my life. I've known Preeti for a long time, but I'm so glad that I'm working with her.
I must tell you that Bhumika is a minimalist. She likes, the most, I would say, minimum amount of makeup on her face. But she's in love with her eyes.
Let's start off with my makeup ritual and let's be on time because I don't want to be late.
So starting off with her mehendi look. We wanted to keep it very minimal because it was a day event. And gave her a very soft brown smoky eye.
Hey, this is such a nice picture. So I have been waiting for this point of time from a long time.
Apart from that, moving on to the wedding look, it was going to be a Gurdwara wedding, which I personally kind of, have a very soft corner for. I wanted to give her a very light and very petite bridal look for the Gurdwara ceremony. What better than Lash of Titans? Like that mascara stayed forever. I loved it.
Anyway, Sugar was one of my favorite brands. So I love the lip shades. Oh, they have a lot of products there. I think I've spotted my favorite color. Who in the world? Girl.
And tonight was her reception look, for which we extremely went glam.
So yeah, let's start with the look and let's see how I turn out to be.
Keep chasing the sunshine and go out and play.
As a makeup artist, you want somebody who's so flexible and just lets you do something, and all she expected was just to make sure that she's ready on time and she looks the best. We've all seen Bhumika's love story on Instagram. She and Shekhar, like, they look adorable together. I couldn't be happier, that they're getting married finally.
We planned to go on a trip and it was my birthday week, and my birthday is on 27th Jan and his is on the 30th of Jan. He's not letting me come to the venue. And I'm like, it's my birthday, 12 बजने वाला है, मुझे केक काटना है. We both are standing after cutting the cake. The guy takes out something and I see a box and I was like, oh my god. Uski baad, on his birthday, I proposed him too because I felt that it's not always a man's job.
Hey lovelies, you have made the journey to this special day very easy, fun and memorable. You not only effortlessly handled the big task but also made sure I don't miss out on little joys while preparing for this big day.
Yes.
And I'm so glad and so blessed to have you guys. Thank you so much. So this is something from me and for my Sugar tribe from Sugar.
Everyone loves gifts and I think I'm a sucker for gifts and I love gifting to people as well.
This is from Shaya by Carrot Lane. They have amazing jewelry and I have it too because I have a number too.
It's so nice pearl over there. See,
Nice, very
Shreya is
pretty,
looking so
very
nice, so pretty.
Also, not just that, I have something from House of Riyans for you girls. I can't tell you how I'm feeling right now. It's so overwhelming and so emotional because they've pampered me, like literally pampered me with so many gift hampers.
Oh, it's written love, laughter and happily ever after. It's so nice and personalized.
To infinity and beyond.
I have to tell you about the dress that I'm wearing. It's from Urbanik and Red is a color जो मैं बहुत कम पहनती हूँ because my wardrobe is full of black pastel English colors and it was a perfect dress for the occasion. I think it's a wedding season. I've had Shaya by Carrot Lane, I've had Urbanic, then I've had IGP, then I've had my cake, my wedding cake by Studio 143. I mean, they've covered everything what all would I need, and they've also treated my bridesmaid with so many gift hampers. I'm just like overwhelmed and going mad right now with excitement and the overall experience, and I want to thank Sugar for this and for Sugar for choosing me as their sugar bride.